All right, I promised a garden video, so we're gonna start out with what I got finished today. Got the three, they're 2 foot tall and 6 foot long, 3 foot deep. So it's 18 feet long. And then we got the artificial turf for the dogs when they come out. It's a 5 foot wide and 20 foot long. Try to keep them from getting so muddy. This was a muddy mess before we started all this. And then we got the garden. This is what I've been working on pretty much all of March and April. All these raised beds. If you've seen a past garden video, there was just dirt, but finally got it going. We got some sweet potatoes. I got 12 slips in there. I'm trying some peanuts in there. Never grown peanuts before. We got some red potatoes. We've got cabbage on the outside, a few marigolds. We got 2 Roma tomatoes, 2 grape tomatoes. We'll go ahead and look over here. We got our strawberries and blueberries. We got 6 blueberry bushes. These 2 on the end were the ones that were in pots in the last video, but hopefully they do well. And then we've got broccoli on the outside. Got 2 banana peppers, 2 jalapeno peppers, and 2 red bell peppers in the middle. And then over here I've planted, this was all seed. Really the only thing that's come up is the beets. Got a few carrots here and there and some grass growing. And we got 4 green bell peppers in the middle, and then I planted some kale seed on the outside. So we got a few of those kale popping up here and there on the outside here. And then we got the, I guess it's livestock fence. It's a 16-foot. I just made it into an arch. I've got cucumber seeds planted, so hopefully they'll grow up the arch. I got a couple of them that's came up, a couple of the cucumbers, and I planted spinach on the other side. We got 4 Sweet 100 cherry tomatoes, and then we've got couple more tomatoes. I think there's 2 Jet Stars and 2 some kind of bush something or another I've never grown. Tomato plants are looking really good and green. And then I planted radish seeds. See, we got some radishes growing. I think those are only like 25 days, so we'll be getting some radishes here pretty soon. And then down the little fenceway here, got 4 blackberries. Only one has started to leaf. Got one little leaf right there. You can see all the little maple leaves, helicopters. Then we got a row of raspberries. All 6 of them have started greening up. Just this one, just little green there, but I forget what kind they are. That's 3. There's 2 of 3 different varieties, and I'm waiting on. There was 2 more that was back ordered. Then I've got okra seed planted here against the fence, and I'm gonna try grapevine. This is a razzmatazz grape, so hopefully it grows and gets us a lot of grapes. We've got 4 zucchini squash and 4 yellow squash plants, and then there's sunflowers behind them starting to come up. And then we've got 2 more 6-footers here. I got a little bamboo lattice type I've got pole beans planted here. It is April the 30th, so say May 1st is a good time to plant beans, but I've got snap peas here, so hopefully they'll grow up the trellis. We got yellow onions in the front 2 rows, and then I've got some red onions. Those were all onion sets, but the red onions, they haven't come up very much. There's only, I don't know, 10 or 12. But the yellow onions are looking good. And then over here we're going to try asparagus. This bed was the first one I planted, first one I put dirt in, and I got 10 asparagus, just the roots, bare roots, and planted them, and all 10 have come up, and that's probably about 2 foot tall right there. So we'll let them grow a couple years before we start harvesting asparagus. And then in this one I ordered some from Amazon, and it was a 10 count, and I actually got like, I think it was 12. And what, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 of them have come up. So hopefully we'll have some asparagus in a few years. But that's it. That's the garden. Got off to a good start. Thanks for watching. Leave me a comment. Hit that thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Until next time, have a great day.